Hey everybody, welcome to my channel Tarot Warrior. My name is Aparna and I'm here today to do a current feelings reading for the sign of Taurus. This is going to be a general reading, may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. Only take what resonates and leave the rest. If none of the messages resonate, you can always check videos of your other sign placements, moon or Venus sign for additional information. Also, please stick around till the end of the video because I'm going to look at your feelings for your person's feelings for you. And towards the end, we are going to look at this person's future action towards you and the outcome of this connection along with some oracle cards. So stick around till the end and let's get started, Taurus. We'll start with your side of the feelings. Let's look at how do you think and feel about your person at this time. You have the Two of Cups as your first card. Queen of Wands, Lovers, and the Hierophant, which is Taurus energy. We have on your person's side Eight of Wands, King of Cups, Three of Wands, Chariot. What is your overall energy? Ace of Swords. What is this person's overall energy? Five of Swords. So Taurus, Ace of Swords on your side. There is some clarity, some revelation, some sudden communication, some insight. If there has been a very stagnant situation between you and somebody, there is a breakthrough happening. There is a sudden insight which is going to help you in the situation. Okay. Now, there is also some clear communication happening between you and this person. This person has a Five of Swords, so there is some kind of I feel that this person is very stressed. They are either, they feel that there are other people trying to interfere in this connection, trying to create misunderstandings, trying to, there's a lot of gossip or things this person is hearing. Maybe they are being given the wrong advice from friends or family members, and they are very stressed about it. And that's why maybe the Ace of Swords is here, because I feel the two of you are kind of, reaching a point of realization. There's some communication happening and you both are figuring things out. So there's some stressful event or situation happening in this current situation. Now, Two of Cups is on your side. So no doubt that there is a lot of love here and it's mutual from both sides. You both have deep feelings for each other. Now, this person has Eight of Wands. So there's communication, there's, back and forth messages. There's a lot of flirting. There's a lot of passion. You both want to move forward. You have the Queen of Wands. This could be maybe the person you're dealing with could be a fire sign, or this could be your energy where you're very passionate. If this is your energy, this is a person who's very passionate, following your dreams and your goals. Also could be a bit flirty. Now, if this is not you, this could be the person you're dealing with. Now, the person you're dealing with has a King of Cups. So the King of Cups is somebody who hides their feelings, may not be very vocal about their feelings, but they have deep feelings for you. Okay, deep emotions, deep feelings, very caring kind of a person, very matured, very sensitive. Now, you see this person as your soulmate. Lovers is Gemini energy, and you have a lot of passion for them. You want to take things forward with them. You feel the two of you coming together is destined. Three of Wands, this person is waiting for something. They are waiting for either things to settle down, or maybe they're waiting for some message or call from you, or they're waiting for some kind of forward movement here. Now, the Hierophant is here, which is your energy, Taurus energy. I see that you want to take things forward, and you may be asking them if, maybe you're proposing to them, or maybe you're asking them to move in with you. You are wanting to get married to this person, settle down with this person, have a family with this person. Maybe you're introducing this person to your family. I see a lot of forward movement in this relationship. Chariot is Cancer energy. So if you both are separated, they are rushing towards you. If you have asked them for a serious commitment, the answer is yes, because they are rushing towards you. Okay. Now let's just clarify and see what the problem is, because we have the Five of Swords here. So why is the Ace of Swords here for you? You've got the sun, so that's a very abundant happy energy. This is Leo energy. Again, I see a lot of happiness, abundance, clarity. Even if you both are facing some difficult situation, you're going to get over it. You are going to find a solution. Why is the Five Swords here for this person? Why are they so stressed? Four of Wands. Four of Wands is a twin flame, could be a twin flame connection, or could be, this is actually a very positive card. Four of Wands is a celebration, happiness. It could be that you both are already, planning to get married, and maybe there's a lot of stress connected to that. You know how it gets, right? When you are either, planning a wedding or planning something, even planning to move in, it becomes a bit stressful, getting adjusted to each other. That could be stressful, or maybe there could be other people telling this person what they should do and shouldn't do, and they're very stressed about that. So anyway, why is the Four of Wands here with the, or maybe they are stressed about the fact that, they are not very sure how a committed relationship is going to be. Maybe they've not been in a relationship for a long time. Five of Swords here. Ten of Swords. They are worried about, I feel this person tends to go to an extreme case scenario. Like they have a lot of fear of an ending. So Five of Swords is half of Ten of Swords. So they tend to kind of overreact or overthink. Maybe a situation may not be as bad, but they just assume that it would get worse, or it would get to that point where you both may break up. So why is the Two of Cups here? So Ten of Swords is an energy of betrayal. Okay, so I don't know why this person is thinking, going towards extreme, but we'll see. Why is the Two of Cups here for you? Eight of Pentacles. You want to put work towards this connection. They have the Eight of Wands. They have the Three of Swords. This person is very heartbroken. For what? Maybe they are going through a heartbreak and they are reaching out to you during that time. Like maybe that's how you both connected. Why is this person having the Three of Swords? Five of Wands. There definitely is some third party interference here, because it feels like this person is already very stressed. It's possible that they broke up with somebody to be with you, and there is still some kind of petty behavior from that person. Because this person, it looks like they are heartbroken because of this other person interfering in this connection. Could be their ex. Now, why is the Queen of Wands here for you? Now, Queen of Wands could also be another person. Okay, maybe let's see. Nine of Wands. Nine of Pentacles. I feel that this is your energy. Nine of Pentacles is somebody very independent, somebody very focusing on themselves. Yeah, so I feel that you seem very confident, Taurus. You seem very independent in your thoughts. You are you do look very confident, but deep within you have fears. Okay, you are fearful of what lies ahead for the both of you. You have some fears about whether this person will leave you for someone else, or will they think that this is too much to deal with and maybe leave you because it's so stressful. So there's a lot of things that you are hiding, like a lot of fears that you're just trying to, push aside. Why is the King of Cups here? Knight of Wands. So although this person has a lot of feelings for you, they are not really committing. There is this energy of not being non-committal. Knight of Wands also somebody very like player kind of an energy, somebody who's very passionate, somebody who keeps traveling. Why is the Lovers here for you? You want a 10 of cups with this person. You want a long term relationship. You see this person as your soulmate. Why is it three of wands for this person? They are stuck. They don't know what to do. They don't know how to move forward. They like you. They do love you, but there is this energy of should I not? Why is the Hierophant here? Magician, you are manifesting the 10 of cups. You want a relationship, you want something serious. Why is a Chariot here for this person? 10 of wands. So yeah, finally they are letting go of all the baggage that they've been carrying from the past, and they are coming towards you, wanting a fresh start. Okay, they're rushing towards you. So let's look at what action will this person take towards you in the future. Future action is judgment. So they are ending something and letting go of something and coming towards you for a fresh start, a new beginning. And what is the outcome? The outcome is the High Priestess. Pisces energy, or it could be Cancer as well. Six of Swords. So yeah, there is this energy of emotionally healing something, emotionally, kind of dealing with something, letting go of the past, moving forward, going towards calmer waters. Emotionally, there's been a lot of ups and downs for the both of you, and you both are kind of letting all of that go and just taking that leap of faith, moving forward together, which is a beautiful thing to do. Now, let's see what are the oracle messages for you, Taurus. You've got attraction. You attract romantic love by enjoying this moment fully. So, yeah, Taurus, I feel that there is a strong attraction between you and this person, and the universe is asking you to enjoy this moment fully rather than being in your head about this past life relationship. You have known each other before, so definitely this is a past life connection, and hence you feel that strong bond with each other. What else can I get? Playfulness. To recapture romance, allow your inner youthful spirit of fun to shine. So, yeah, maybe you both need to just have some fun. Don't be so caught up with, what's coming next. Just enjoy the moment in the present, and be a bit more playful and fun, and, just go with the flow. So, Taurus, this is what I have for you. I hope this helps and resonates. If it does, please do give me a like, share, do subscribe to my channel. If you wish to book a private reading, I'm available. You can reach out to me on my email or my website, and you can directly book on my website as well if you're PayPal. Check it out. All the details are on the screen and in the description box. Do like, share, and subscribe. Do comment. Let me know how this resonates. Claim this video, and if this is what you were looking for. And I'll be back with another reading. Till then, take care, guys.